Good morning guys and welcome back to another episode of our BMW K1100RS caferacer build. Today we're planning to finish up the entire rear, so we'll be mounting the rear caliper, the rear sets, we'll even be mounting the exhaust that we also sell in our store. We will be mounting the rear wheel and the rear cowl of the bike. So everything from here is essentially finished up and the only thing we have to do is focus on the front for the next 2 days. This is the exhaust system that we will be using on this build. The entire system has been hand welded specifically to our specifications. The manifolds are built up from over 120 separate pie cuts and the sound on this thing is fantastic. So if you're still looking for an exhaust system, we have these full systems in store. They come with a POWERBRICK muffler and a removable baffle, so it will be a great addition to your bike. So the system comes with all the bits and bolts that you need to mount. We have new exhaust seals. There's a catch to these because if you look closely, you're gonna see that there's a split line on this side and that it's closed on the other side. So you want the split line to be facing up towards the engine. Now that the rear end is done, let's show you the wheels that we'll be using. For this build, we're super excited to be using Rotobox fully carbon rims. These wheels are super light. We fitted them with Pirelli Diablo Rosso Corsa 2s. These wheels will only fit with the adapter that we also sell in the store and that you saw being mounted in the last episode. I can't wait to fit these up, so let's go. So the last thing that we have to do for the rear is install the rear cowl. It's been painted, so you guys are going to see the color as well of the bike. This is the color that we went for. It's Aston Martin magnetic silver color with a lot of metallic in it. And we've integrated the turn lights just like we did on the last build. We've updated the design a little so that there's a little more spoiler and that the curve better follows the entire top face of the bike. That's it for this episode. Thank you for watching once again. The bike's taking serious shape now, and I don't think it's gonna take long before we really get to see what it looks like as a whole. So stay tuned, like and subscribe if you want to follow this build, and see you guys in the next episode.